Developmental physiology is a branch of physiology that studies the biological mechanisms underlying the growth and development of organisms from the embryonic stage to adulthood. This field covers various aspects ranging from cell division, differentiation, morphogenesis, to aging. Here is a detailed description of developmental physiology. Definition of developmental physiology. Developmental physiology focuses on a structural and functional changes that occur during the life cycle. B. Molecular, genetic, and hormonal regulations that control growth and development. C. Adaptation of the body to various phases of development in the environment. 2. Stages of development. A. Fertilization stage. Process. Sperm meets the ovum, egg cell, to form a zygote, a single cell with complete genetic information. Function. 1. Combining genetic material from both parents. 2. Initiating cell division through mitosis. B. Embryonic stage. Main processes. 1. Cell division, cleavage. The zygote divides into many small cells, blastomeres. 2. Gastrulation. Formation of 3 germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. 3. Organogenesis. Formation of major organs such as the brain, heart, and lungs. 4. Molecular regulation. Transcription factors such as homeobox, HOX genes regulate body patterns. C. Fetal stage. Process. 1. Rapid growth and organ differentiation. 2. Formation of tissues such as bones and muscles. Function. Ensures organs develop perfectly before birth. D. Postnatal stage. Growth phase. 1. Infants. Development of the nervous, immune, and digestive systems. 2. Children. Accelerated bone and muscle growth. 3. Adolescence. Hormonal changes during puberty. E. Adult stage. Main focus. 1. Maintenance of body functions. 2. Decrease in structural and metabolic growth. F. Aging stage. Process. 1. Decrease in cellular function, DNA damage, oxidative stress. 2. Decrease in tissue regeneration. Molecular mechanism. 1. Accumulation of mitochondrial DNA mutations. 2. Shortening of telomeres during cell division. 3. Physiological mechanisms of development. A. Genetic regulation. 1. Genetic expression. Activation and deactivation of certain genes controls cell differentiation and organ development. 2. Epigenetics. Modification of DNA without changing the gene sequence, such as DNA methylation, affects development. B. Hormonal. 1. Growth hormone, GH, controls bone and tissue growth. 2. Thyroid hormone. plays a role in brain development and metabolism. 3. Sex hormones, estrogen, testosterone, regulate changes during puberty. C. Cellular interactions. 1. Cell-to-cell signaling. Molecules such as Notch and WNT are important for differentiation and morphogenesis. 2. Cellular adhesion. Proteins such as cadherins maintain tissue stability during development. D. Energy metabolism. Growth requires high energy for protein synthesis, DNA, and the formation of new tissues. IV. Physiology of body system development. A. Nervous system. 1. Neurogenesis. Formation of new neurons from neural stem cells. 2. Synaptogenesis. Formation of synapses between neurons. 3. Myelination. Formation of myelin sheath to speed up transmission of nerve impulses. B. Cardiovascular system. 1. Embryonic stage. The heart begins to beat since the 3rd week. 2. Postnatal. Changes in blood circulation, closure of the foramen oval. C. Musculoskeletal system. 1. Bone formation, intramembranous ossification, for flat bones. Endochondral ossification, for long bones. 2. Muscle growth, hypertrophy of muscle fibers during puberty. D. Reproductive system. 1. Gonad development, differentiation of testes or ovaries from primitive gonads. 2. Puberty, activation of the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis, HPA axis. E. Immune system. 1. Fetal stage. Production of lymphocytes in the thymus and bone marrow. 2. Postnatal. The immune system learns to recognize pathogens through exposure to antigens. Versus disorders in development. A. Genetic disorders. 1. Down syndrome. Disorder of physical and mental development due to trisomy of chromosome 21. 2. Turner syndrome. Disorder of sexual development due to the loss of one X chromosome. B. Hormonal disorders. Congenital hypothyroidism. Disorder of brain and physical development due to deficiency of thyroid hormone. Growth hormone deficiency. Stunted body growth. C. Environmental factors. 1. Malnutrition. Inhibits growth and organ development. 2. Teratogen exposure. Substances such as alcohol and drugs that interfere with embryonic development. B. Applications of developmental physiology. A maternal and child health, ensuring optimal nutrition during pregnancy and growth. B. Treatment of developmental disorders. 1. Hormone therapy for endocrine disorders. 2. Genetic intervention for congenital diseases. C. Bioengineering. Stem cell studies for tissue regeneration. Conclusion. Developmental physiology provides a deep understanding of how organisms grow and develop from a single cell to a complex individual. By understanding these basic mechanisms, we can improve human health, prevent developmental disorders, and optimize quality of life at every stage of life.